tini chungro phai so phai ha Saikar Bari ro ke Dalong Bosti Dalong and Riang no Dalong only okay tini ro Saikar Bari Dalong Bosti chung phai so phai Surma constituency ni under ro ke ha bo Surma constituency ni under no so boro chung BJP ni 5 families bro Tipramot hao join kepa ke brang total voters ha 18 ke brang no chung khaksamo yafayu chini Tipramot hani ongye brang chini buwagrani nahi mono brang phono buwagrani mangno je greater tripoland ni imanno brang pa hamye chung bai tinio join kepa mon boy brang most welcome all of them. So today we have been here in Saikar Bari. They are joined duty Pramotha. They are from earlier their BJP party. They have total 5 families. In total voters are 18. They have joined in Pramotha today itself. So I would like to welcome all of them. Thank you. Opportunity you have given to us and you have supported our Bubagra. So thank you everyone once again.
Tipramotha long live!
Long live, long live!
Tipramotha long live!
Long live, long live!
Tipramotha long live!
Long live, long live!
Bubagra ayu lokto!
Ayo lokto, ayo lokto!
Bubagra ayu lokto!
Ayo lokto, ayo lokto!
Bubagra ayu lokto!
Ayo lokto, ayo lokto!
Tipramotha long live!
Long live, long live!
Tipramotha long live!
Long live, long live!
Iprasa Longli.
Tiprasa long live!
Long live, long live!
Tiprasa long live!
Long live, long live!